How to make money by taking pictures coming right up. Hey, what's going on my friends? Miller Brady here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you websites that you can sell your pictures because if you're allowed like taking pictures even from your smartphone, you can actually make money from it. And I'm going to show you all the websites here so you can test them out and then make money from just taking picture. So before we get on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's go on to the video. So the first website is called MyPic.co. So this is a website where you can sell your photos if you're into photography. So this is definitely one good website that you can definitely make money just taking picture. So just scroll here on the website. So basically what their idea is, your picture, they're gonna put it in a, you can sell it like put it in a t-shirt, mug, pillows, so those start of pictures that can benefit them and just make an awesome work art and just they can sell it online. So this is one good website, so I recommend you check this out. It's called MyPic.co, and again guys, all the links on the website that's mentioned on this video is gonna be on the description, so make sure you check those as well. The other website is called Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock has been doing this for a very long time, and not a lot of people knows this, but Adobe Stock is still using photos. So actually, they are using your photos on making good. They're actually also reselling your photos as well, and or also they offer them to content creators as like a content that they can use. So Adobe Stock is one good website. You can go here on the upper right corner of the website. You can sell, or you can people are actually gonna come here and subscribe and get photos as well. So you can definitely sell pictures here on Adobe Stock. Another one is called Zenfolio. So this is all an e-commerce platform. So you see here, it's to showcase and sell your photography. So people actually come here and if they like your photos, they actually gonna buy here. So this is a really good website. They have like these have awards and stuff. And then so what you're gonna do, just create an account with them, and then you can then start posting your photos, and then people, if they like it, they will actually buy from it. All right. So that's one website, Zenfolio.com, and again, the link is gonna be in the description as well. The other one is Fope. So I don't know how to Fope. So if you go here, it's there's like a mobile app that you have to download first. So you take your picture with your smartphone, upload the picture on the mobile app, and then you can start selling that on this website. So this is one really good website. So just scroll through the websites. You can have more ideas on what they're all about. But these are really good website that you can make money by just uploading your pictures. Another one is called Shutterstock. So it's the same as Adobe Stock. So you can just take photos and stuff and then upload here and then sell them as well. So people are actually coming here and buying them because they need photos for like backgrounds, um, content creation, blog posts, tons of stuff. So there's not enough photos out there. So if you're just having fun, or if you know how to take really really good photos, you can really sell them here on this website. So they're kind of the same, like the Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. So that's one good. Another one is called SmugMug. So you can create here on their account. So what you're gonna do is that just scroll down on this website, so you can see here that how you can take your photos and then really good quality photos right away. So if you are into photography, this is one good website that you can sell your photos and really make money online. So I really hope guys that you got value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are don't find value, click this video a thumbs down. If you did, click this video a thumbs up as well. Alright guys, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.